Welcome to Create Moodle Activities and Resources with AI, Week 1. This video will explore how to leverage artificial intelligence to enhance your Moodle courses. I'm Nellie Deutsch. I've taught EFL for over 40 years and been a Moodle admin since 2003. My focus is on integrating technology and AI into education, promoting learner autonomy and peer-based learning. Our agenda for this video covers Moodle basics, teaching methods, profile settings, resources and AI activities, certificates and badges, and references. So what is Moodle? It's a Moodle learning management system, open to everyone 24/7, providing a flexible platform for online learning. Moodle stands for Modular Object-Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. Its creator, Martin Duguiamas, chose the name for its technical meaning and its connection to the exploratory nature of learning. My background in Call and Moodle dates back to 1993 with computer-assisted language learning and evolved to becoming a Moodle admin and teaching with Moodle by 2009. Our aspirations for this course include active participatory learning, exploring Moodle features, sharing experiences, and gaining both personal and professional learning. Active participatory learning means students actively engage in learning through activities, discussions, and collaboration, rather than passively receiving information. The benefits of this approach include enhanced understanding, development of critical thinking and problem-solving skills, and fostering collaboration. We'll explore two key teaching methods: peer teaching and learning, where students teach each other, and discovery learning, where learners independently explore and uncover information. Peer teaching focuses on reciprocal education, while discovery learning focuses on personal engagement with material without direct instruction. We'll use screen recorders and showcase and reflect methods. The learning environments for peer teaching are highly interactive. Discovery learning often involves individual or small group tasks that encourage exploration and inquiry. The educational approach for peer teaching is social constructivism, emphasizing collaboration. Discovery learning is centered on constructivism and experiential learning. Key techniques for peer teaching include instruction and group discussions. For discovery learning, we use problem-solving tasks, experiments, and research projects. Primary benefits of peer teaching include enhanced understanding and communication skills. Discovery learning develops critical thinking, problem-solving, and independence. Throughout the course, you will create video tutorials using ScreenPal or Filmora 15 to showcase your learning for peer learning. Upload the MP4 files to YouTube as unlisted or to Google Drive, then copy and paste the links into the discussion forums. To get started, you can watch video tutorials on how to record your screen using either Filmora 15 or ScreenPal. These tools will help you create your video assignments. After recording, publish your MP4 screen recordings. You can choose to upload to YouTube and paste the link, or use Google Drive, ensuring the link is unrestricted and public for sharing. The core of this course involves exploring Moodle activities and resources and integrating external AI tools to enhance your learning environment. Moodle offers various resources like book, file, interactive video, SCORM package, text and media area, and URL. We'll examine how to best utilize these within your courses. Week 3 will focus on exploring Moodle activities such as assignment, chat, choice, database, external tool, feedback, forum, glossary, H5P, lesson, quiz, survey, and wiki. We will explore AI tools that can be integrated with Moodle resources and activities to streamline content creation and enhance learner engagement. The next scenes illustrate a variety of AI tools that complement and enhance Moodle's existing features for both resources and activities. Moodle 5.1 includes new native AI tools. We will dive into what these tools are and how they can be used effectively within the platform. A detailed look at the AI tools available in Moodle 5.1 will highlight features designed to assist educators in content creation and course management. We'll analyze the pros of integrating AI into Moodle 5.1, such as improved efficiency and personalized learning experiences. Conversely, we must also consider the cons of AI integration into Moodle 5.1, including potential data privacy concerns and reliance on technology. You'll be creating walkthrough video tutorials as tasks for peer learning, focusing on practical Moodle skills and AI tool integration. Start by recording a walkthrough video of the course layout. This helps orient yourself and your peers to the structure of the course. Your first task is to create a walkthrough video demonstrating how to edit your country and time zone within your Moodle profile settings. The Tiny MCE editor is Moodle's default text editor. It features tools like the expand and reduce buttons, and a button to record directly from your screen. Let's review the focus of Week 1. Participants will be introduced to each other, the Moodle platform, and AI tools for educators. We aim to build community and explore AI's role in teaching. By the end of Week 1, you will have connected with peers through AI-generated video introductions, reflected on AI's role in teaching, and gained familiarity with Moodle. All grades for the tasks in this course are out of 100, with no in-between grades. You will either receive a 100 for successful completion or a 0. The tasks for Week 1 include several forum discussions on introductions, goals, expectations, and reflecting on AI for instruction, along with reviewing AI references and a course navigation tutorial. One key task is to request a course on the Online Courses for Free Moodle site, which will be essential for your practical work in the following weeks. The course request process ensures that everyone has a sandbox environment to practice creating Moodle activities and resources throughout the course. Weekly digital badges will be awarded for the successful completion of all tasks in each week. These badges recognize your progress and achievement. These badges serve as a tangible acknowledgement of your efforts and the skills you acquire in creating Moodle content with AI. The digital badges will be automatically issued upon fulfilling the required criteria for each week's activities and assignments. Here are some references on the use of AI in English language teaching, providing further reading on how AI can benefit language education. More references are provided, focusing on the integration of artificial intelligence in foreign languages learning, vocabulary acquisition, and AI-integrated learning management systems. These references continue to explore the impact of AI in education, covering topics such as student academic outcomes and motivation. We also include references on Moodle and English language teaching, covering topics like enhancing teachers' knowledge and Moodle integration in EFL virtual classrooms. The final set of references covers Moodle-based development in education, the Teaching Perspectives Inventory, and the effects of emotional tone and gender in multimedia feedback.